Look at this big girl sitting up by herself. Vera, look at Mama. Look at you sitting up by yourself like a big girl. Sitting like a big girl. Vera, is that funny? Is that funny? Is that funny? Look at you sitting like a big girl. Mama's never seen you sit up by yourself.
And dog biscuits party.
What?
3 times the fun.
Yeah.
Say, that sounds like Pluto.
All
I hope
right.
Pluto hasn't been playing in the garden. I just watered it and there's a big mud puddle on the ground.
Where are you, pal? I can hear you, but I can't see you. Do you see Pluto anywhere? You do? Well, where? At the window?
Look, now you're cheating.
Come on inside, boy, and help us get ready for the tea party. I mean the tea and biscuits and dog biscuits party.